Hi folks, my name is Greg McLawsen. I am the Affidavit of Support lawyer. I have spent the last 10 years helping green card holders enforce the USCIS Form I-864. I represent plaintiffs, that is the sponsored green card holder, in federal lawsuits to enforce rights under the Affidavit of Support. We have done these cases all across the United States, Colorado, Alabama, Arizona, Oregon, Maryland, District of Columbia, Washington State, Minnesota, Texas, goes on and on. Worked with clients all across the United States, and we offer free case consultations. So if you think you might have a claim under the Affidavit of Support, if you think a friend of yours might have a claim under the Affidavit of Support, we are happy to set up a Zoom consultation with you. There's no cost to that at all. You're under no obligation to work with the law firm. This is really an opportunity for you at no expense to figure out if you might have a claim under the Affidavit of Support. One thing I have observed from having done this for 10 years is that folks have a really hard time finding local attorneys with any experience enforcing the Affidavit of Support. So almost always when somebody sets up a consultation with me, they will have already tried talking to a family law attorney who will have said, I don't know anything about this Affidavit of Support business. Or they will talk to an immigration attorney who says, yeah, I help people prepare adjustment applications. I'm familiar with the Affidavit of Support, but I don't have any interest in getting into a federal lawsuit to sue somebody for damages. That's not what I do. I'm an immigration attorney. I help get immigration benefits. So obviously, a lot of times my clients have a huge amount of frustration because they can't find any attorney with expertise, let alone even a willingness to take these cases. And in my practice, this is really what I focus on, is these lawsuits enforcing the Affidavit of Support. We do these typically in federal court. You can actually do them in state court as well, and I've done that here in Washington State. I have a couple cases right now where we will probably do those in state court. But by and large, we find federal courts to be a more friendly forum for these federal judges are more familiar with federal immigration law. And so it's typically more efficient, and we get a better result, we feel, going into federal court. But the first step is always to figure out if you have a claim to begin with. So if you think you may have a claim, again, free consultations anywhere in the United States set up via Zoom. We also offer a free case assessment process on our website where you can contact us. This is all completely confidential and governed by attorney-client privilege. So you can contact us. We will provide you a questionnaire that lets us gather the information that we need to figure out if we can advise you that you do or don't have a claim under the Affidavit of Support. And again, for either one of those, the online case assessment process, consultations, those are both offered at zero cost to our prospective clients. I will mention too that our case representation in these matters is done on a contingency fee basis. So that means that we are paid only if we recover money for our clients, and our clients do not have to pay out of pocket for our work. And that's important because the attorney fees on these cases would otherwise be prohibitively expensive. But the way that we have it set up, the client can go from that first point of contact all the way through successfully recovering money, and they don't have to pay out-of-pocket expenses to the law firm. If you have questions about the Affidavit of Support, feel free to jump into the comments. I'm totally happy to answer general questions there. If you have case-specific questions, reach out to us on our website or through Instagram. We're happy to set up a free consultation with you. Hope this is helpful. Stay well, everyone.